Hi, Brian here from Cars in Tillsonburg. We thought we'd take you for a little bit of a tour underneath our 65 Mustang Coupe that we have here, just to show you how solid this car really is. This is a Canadian car, and we're going to point out some points on here that are really important to see. The car has the Kelsey Hayes disc brakes on the front. This was born a V8 car, and that's apparent by the brakes that are on it. It has the 14-inch 5-bolt wheels. 6-cylinder cars came with 4-bolt wheels and drum brakes all the way around, but this has the disc brakes. And as you can see here, this is a very, very solid car. And a lot of these cars, especially Canadian cars, these boxes here, the frame rails are usually rotten out and replaced, and these are original. And the floor pan is very, very, very solid. We've gone through the car from one end to the other, checked it out. This was a restoration that was done years ago, but it's weathered very well. It's been taken care of. We get back here into the back section, and the frame rails are extremely solid. There's no areas that are covered up and are rusty. It's got a lot of life left in it. Somebody has put rear quarters in it, and as you see, there's a new fuel tank, many new parts on this car. Shocks were replaced at one time. We've got a complete dual exhaust system right from the front to the back. Well done, well bent. Lots of life left in it. The car drives and rides really well. It's not a frame off rotisserie restoration. It's just a good, solid, reconditioned car. Easy to drive. It has the 3-speed standard transmission with the original shifter. We have looked at the car and determined that the engine that is in it is a 289. It's a 65 289, not the engine that came with the car, but an original 289 engine rebuilt by the appraisal we got with the car, the information we got with the car. Original 3-speed manual transmission, top loader with the factory Ford shifter on it. The car is a real nice driver. You wouldn't be afraid to drive this thing anywhere, anytime, even in the rain. It's easy to clean it up after, and it just is well taken care of and well prepared. So what we'll do here is we'll drop it down and we'll take a look at the top end for you.